Good evening, guys. Cesar Fixin here with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. And on my higher time frame chart once again because I'm gonna mention the same thing that I mentioned before. The price is currently mitigating this sideways range here. Okay. Once the price break the range right there, I'm gonna delete it, which I think most likely is gonna do. So sorry. The price most likely is gonna break it because it's initiating right now. Once the price does, if the price does it, which it will, I'm gonna be focusing on this range right here instead. So I'm gonna be tomorrow. You guys will see how I'm gonna have marked this range right here instead, and I'm gonna delete the other one because it wouldn't be valid anymore. But for the moment, this is where we are located. What I'm about to explain is pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. And even if the price break if the price makes that range invalid, I'm gonna be looking for the same thing overall from this range. Same thing if it goes even higher. Okay, that's how my process works. That's how I read the price. So let me go to the lower time frame. Today I didn't take anything. I think I gotta mention that. I was looking for sales, as I mentioned. I wanted to take sales from around here, but I didn't because the price break that low right there, creating that trend, that downtrend that I was looking for. That I if you guys pay attention yesterday, that's what I said. That's what I wanted to see, and the price was creating that, but I didn't like how the price broke that low right there. It broke it, yes, but it didn't extend. The price just started ranging right there. And when the price does that, for me, that means the 50% of the leg, the 50% is not a high probability area anymore. In order for that 50% to be high probability, the price needs to extend. For example, the price has been downtrending since it was there, right? And here we can see the price broke that low, but it didn't extend, right? It pretty much it did the same thing that the price did there. So when the price does that, what I do is I wait for the price to go back up. I normally ignore the 50% and just wait for the price to mitigate the sell edge, which would be this one right here. The price actually for an entry here. Let's click that. Here, there was an entry. But of course, that entry was at 9:30 p.m. pretty much. So I didn't take it, of course. So I was pretty much looking for this same setup. Okay, I ignored the 50% area completely. At the end, the price went to the sell edge, which is this one. Oh, let me just go back. So I delete it. Okay. I waited for the price go up to go up here. The price did, but it did it too late. There was an entry right there, but that was after New York section, so I didn't take it. Good thing because at the end it didn't work, which is normal, which is completely normal. We don't win every day, guys, so it is what it is. That was an entry right there, but that was after New York, so I didn't take it. So right now the price is initiating to the upside. If you guys remember, I said that I wasn't thinking about getting involved from here or buys and even from there. But now, because of what the price just did here, it created a new break of structure, and now it's extending, executing sales. I mean buys from these areas. They are good now, even from here or even from there. But that's gonna depend on the price action. Okay, so I'm good to buy on those areas for now, depending on the price action. So in general, I want to see the price once again downtrending. Okay, that's what I want to see now. Or depending on the price action, if it goes down here to mitigate these ranges, I'm gonna take buys depending the price action. If the price mitigate those ranges and if it shows me that it doesn't want to continue going lower, that's when I'm gonna take a buy. Okay? It's not like, oh, the price went there and I just executed it. It doesn't work that way. So, like, for example, I want the price to go down, right? This buy that range right there is gonna send the price back up, and then the price is gonna keep going down, maybe to then create another entry here to buy, to then create a sell, and that's how the downtrend is created. Okay, that's if the price wants to go down. It's possible the price is gonna go down here to then keep going up right after, because we are bullish. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if the price just keep going up, or if it keeps going, if it just reverses to keep going down. Okay. So once again, I'm gonna be looking for the same thing. Okay. If the price break that range right here, if that range is broken, I'm gonna be marking another range. Okay. And I'm gonna be pretty much looking for the same thing of it all. Alright, guys? That's how my process works, pretty much. Right now, we don't have enough data. Like, we just know that taking buys from these areas are good, they are solid, but that's all we know right now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my pre-analysis. I hope whatever I explain here help you somehow, and maybe help you even with your strategy. Who knows? Hopefully, my pre-analysis is like your extra confluence, the last thing you need in order to take your entry. But yeah, guys, thank you for being here once again, and have a good night. Take care.